What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, my name is yeukai.loreen and welcome. So excited to have you guys joining me today. So guys, let me just get straight to the point. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about whether you need a facial cleansing brush or not. From my experience guys, I didn't know, like, do I really need one? Do I not need one? Should I get it? Which kind should I get? So to get into this video, we're going to be reviewing this spin brush. It's called the Dquip facial cleansing brush. I got this brush from Dischem and it was around 179 rand. I'm just going to put up the price for you guys, and the color that I got is this turquoise blue greenish color. It's a very nice color, I love it. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing my experience with you guys on this brush and whether or not it is worth your coin. Actually, in general, I have tried the other one that's at Clicks. I can't remember what's the name of the brand. I tried that one and this one, so I think I'm in a position to at least share my experience and give you a good idea of whether you need a facial cleansing brush or not. If you are interested in that, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see me review more products that you would like or are thinking about getting, let me know in the comment section below and let's get right into it. So guys, like I said, I got this brush for around 179 rand about a month ago. So I decided I'm going to give it a fair chance, try it out and share my experience with you guys on how I went with the brush. So the reason why I got the brush is I wanted something that would help with like deep cleansing of my skin, because I felt like sometimes I'm lazy to sit in the shower for like 60 seconds going like this, you know, a whole 60 seconds. Like, so sometimes I feel like I'm too lazy to do that. So I wanted something that would help me to really get into the pores, get out the makeup, get out any like sunscreen or dirt that is sitting on my skin, and I felt I needed that extra help from a facial cleansing brush. So I just thought, okay, let me try it. When I was checking, this is the first one that I came across at Dischem, so there is no special reason as to why particularly I chose this one. I think the price point was a fair enough price point for me to consider getting it. It comes exactly like this with the one brush here, which is a detachable spin brush. The bristles are not too hard, but they are not that soft either. Like, I thought I wanted a silicone one. I was hoping I could find one with silicone bristles, but that are exactly this length. But you'll notice with silicone bristles, they are usually quite shorter, like very tiny, maybe like a 1/10 of this length. So I thought, I want something with like decent bristles. So these ones are pretty soft, so I was hoping, okay, maybe it will be gentle enough on my skin but still get the job done. So that's the reason why I chose it. Also, I felt like the price point was good. I liked the color. It came in a little box. I thought I was gonna keep the box, but yo, yeah. Anyways, moving into the pros of the brush, the reasons why I enjoy it, and then the cons, the reasons why I don't really enjoy it. So the pros of the brush, like I said, I love the length of the bristles. They're perfect. I thought they were just the right height, like they were not very tiny. I would have opted for silicone bristles, but then the option wasn't there, so I just went with this one. The price was a very good price point for me, and also when the brush came, it came with batteries already. So it's got these 2 batteries that it already came with. I didn't need to buy them separately, which was definitely a pro for me. When it comes to usage, it's got 2 spin settings. So this is the normal spin setting, the first one, and then it can go a bit faster. Yeah, so maybe the second setting is 2 times as fast as the first one. I usually go for the first spin setting because I don't know, I just feel like it's less harsh, but I guess that's just my opinion really. Yeah, so I usually go with it on the first spin setting. I feel like I have been enjoying this brush because when my skin is feeling particularly oily and full of dirt, I feel like it really gets into every nook and cranny and makes my skin like really clean. And being someone who's got oily or combination skin, sometimes I feel like I do need that deep cleanse. So that's one reason why I have been enjoying using this brush. Another reason why I'm enjoying it, the first days when I started using it, I really saw a difference on my skin. Like my skin just went from a, I don't know, from a 5 to an 8, like literally. I don't know, like I think it helps with exfoliating, so those dead skin cells somewhat, somewhere, somehow end up disappearing. But I would also like to attribute that to the type of cleanser that I was using. I was using a salicylic acid cleanser, which goes in really into your pores and takes out the extra dirt. So I feel like that in combination with the brush really helped me see those initial results that I saw. So that's the reason why I really have been enjoying this brush. But also a disclaimer, guys, when it comes to skin, the thing that I really prioritize is drinking loads of water, good nutrition, and exercise. So it's not just that I got that initial positive outcome just from using the brush. It's an all-round experience, really. So yeah, those are the pros, those are the reasons why I really enjoy this brush. Yeah, now when it comes to the cons, guys, this brush, you can't use it every day because it does get a bit harsh. Like, it gets so, because the recommendation is for you to use it for 1 minute. So use it 10 seconds on the cheek, 10 seconds, 20, 20, and that makes 60 seconds like for cleansing your face. So if you go for that, for myself anyways, every time that I go within that 60-second duration, I feel like it does get so on my skin. It's not as gentle as like when you're using your hands, where you don't get that raw feeling. With this one, I do, let me not say you, let me say me, because this is how I have experienced it, but I do get that feeling of rawness afterwards if I use it too many days in a row. So what I like to do is maybe use it every other day. I definitely wouldn't use it morning and evening. Like, I've noticed that if I do that, then my skin literally becomes sore. So I try to use it maybe once in 2 or 3 days, and I feel like that has been working for me so far during the time that I have been using the brush. Also, another con is it's not supposed to get wet. So like, you can't put it in the shower with you and make it get wet. I've done that before with, the one that I got previously was the Safeway one from Clicks. I've done that previously with the Safeway one, where I would ignore that instruction for not getting it wet and go into the shower with it and literally get it wet. That brush didn't last me very long because it just stopped working one day. I changed the batteries, it stopped working. So the recommendation is you shouldn't get it wet. Don't get overexcited. If you do get it wet, it will work for some time, but it will probably stop working very soon before like your intended use, because you just want to relax and use your brush like forever. You're not expecting it 2 seconds, 3 seconds is gone. So I realized that if you get it wet, it won't last. So I try not to get it wet, but it's just annoying. Like, sometimes you're lazy, you don't have the time to stand over the sink and wash your face before hopping into the shower. I usually like to wash my face in the shower, so that is definitely a con for me. So this one comes with this little stand which you use to like sit it up when you're not using it. The stand, guys, the brush is too heavy for the stand. So usually by the time that I put it, I set it down on my table, it never sits, like it just falls over. So now my recommendation, would I recommend this spin brush for you, particularly wena muntu? I think if you've got like an active breakout, or like if you've got wounded skin, definitely I wouldn't recommend it, because my skin is not even wounded. It doesn't have any open sores or anything, and it does get sore from using this brush, like if I use it more than once a day or maybe 2 days in a row. So if you've got sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend it, because I think it's a bit, the bristles are a bit too much. But on the box it says, oh, it's soft, what. But from my experience, I feel like it is a bit much. So if you've got sensitive skin, or if you've got an active acne breakout, I wouldn't recommend it for you. If you just want a facial cleansing brush, I would recommend, if you can go online maybe, or order from Amazon, one that's got like the silicone bristles, because apparently those are good for acne prone skin, because then the bristles apparently do not allow bacteria to just grow as easily as the other kinds of brushes. But anyways, I don't know if that is like the real deal or what. And then if you have oily skin, like excessively oily skin, or combination oily skin like myself, then I think it's a good product, because it does help. Like, if you feel like you don't have the time to always sit in the shower and go like this all the time, you're lazy, you just want something to help you like quickly wash your face and get everything out, then I would recommend this brush for you. Price point wise, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's great value for money. It has been working for me amazingly. I've been loving it so much, and yeah, I love the color, I love the aesthetic that it gives. If I feel like just pampering myself, going for a small spa day in my shower, or doing like a small self-care routine, I feel like it has helped me a lot. I think this is a very aesthetic feature, but like I said, it doesn't really stay up much. The batteries have been in for a month, they haven't given me a problem, I'm still using them, so I feel like it definitely is great value for money. I would recommend it, like I said, if you've got very oily or dirty skin that you feel like that. But if you've got dry skin, sensitive skin, or skin that has got open scars, or what is it, open wounds on it for one reason or another, I wouldn't recommend it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried it before, or if you would be willing or interested in trying it. I have been enjoying it so far, I won't lie to you guys, I'm really loving it. So this is the brush, this is what it looks like. I love it so much. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried a facial cleansing brush, your thoughts on it. Would you try it? Would you recommend it? And yeah, which one is your favorite? Also let me know in the comment section below other videos that you would like to see on my channel. If you haven't checked out my weight loss series, you are definitely missing out, guys. I am working hard to burn the fat and get myself in the best shape of my life. Also, don't be shy to hit the subscribe button and to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.